All right, we're already to the summary. This is a short lesson. So, tape diagrams can help us understand relationships between quantities and how operations describe those relationships. So, one of the benefits of a tape diagram is it can help us make our thinking visual. And for some people, working with just equations seems easier. For some people, being able to see the relationship is helpful. And so where do we see, if each of these represents an equation, where would the equal sign be? Well, in a tape diagram, the quantities represented by the tape are shown to be equivalent to these quantities indicated by the bracket. So it's almost like the brackets are equal signs here. What's in this tape diagram, what this tape diagram represents, is equal to the quantity underneath our bracket here. And we see one tape diagram can represent several different equations. For example, this shows three groups of x are equal to 21. So that could be 3 times x equals 21. But we could also look at it as 3 x's combined, x plus x plus x equals 21. So it could represent this equation as well. We could think of it as 21 divided into 3 equal groups must be x. So that could represent this particular equation. Or 1/3 of 21. So if we take 21 and divide it into 3, 1/3 is going to be x. So it can represent this equation as well. So one tape diagram can represent multiple equations. All 4 of these equations, however, represent the same relationship between x and 21. Diagram B is similar. Initially, we would think that, okay, we're seeing y and 3 combined, and they're equal to 21, so we could think of it as y plus 3 equals 21. If we take the 21 and subtract the 3, that leaves the y, so we could think of it as y is equal to 21 minus 3. Or if we take the 21 and subtract the y, we're left with 3, so we could also think of it as 3 is equal to 21 minus y. So, in summary, one tape diagram can represent multiple equations. They all essentially show the same relationship.